everyone? Skunk72, Southern California, on another just gorgeous day. A little bit windy, which is fine. That doesn't bother me too much as long as I'm not riding sideways and dodging road debris and tumbleweeds. I'm good. So that first Classics Top Performer jacket that I was looking for and couldn't find it in stock anyway, I finally gave in, just ordered it on Amazon Prime, and it arrived this past Monday. There were no surprises. I had already tried the jacket on when they had it in stock at Santa Clarita Harley. My one huge disappointment ordering it from Amazon Prime is I specifically ordered it so it would arrive on Sunday this past week, which it was supposed to come with the Amazon courier service, which does deliver on Sundays. It said on there you have 17 hours to order to receive it by Sunday. So I would have ordered it, and I don't know if they didn't have it in stock like they said they did and had to have First Manufacturing drop ship it for them or something, but it came UPS instead, and I didn't get it until Monday. Normally not a big deal. Problem was I wanted it on Sunday because I knew I was going to be at home, and I didn't want a $300 leather riding jacket sitting on my porch just in case for some reason nobody was home when it showed up. So thumbs down on that one, Amazon Prime. You guys kind of screwed up a little bit. But as far as the jacket, I wore it yesterday. I had to work at my second job and took it out for a nice ride. Did a nice review on the jacket, and when I reviewed my video, the picture was all washed out and it was absolutely useless for me to use for a vlog. Completely my fault. I was tinkering with settings on the GoPro and apparently tinkered the wrong way. But yeah, that's me. I'm always screwing around with things, trying to improve the picture. Well, it had the opposite effect and just screwed my picture up on this one. So I will definitely be redoing that review. Hopefully I'll get a nice cool day where I can actually review it on a day where it's appropriate to be wearing a big thick jacket. Maybe I'll do a better job and be able to take some pictures, and because I want to point out some details on the jacket that I really like. So right now all I'm doing is going to fuel up because I got off at 12:30 this morning and just didn't feel like stopping on the way home to fuel up. And then I'm going to go get some beer because, you know, you can't expect me to pass out candy totally sober tonight. Alright, so my go-to liquor store did not have the beer I was looking for. So I got one more trick up my sleeve. He won't have the exact one I'm looking for, but he has a good variety. So we'll see how it works out. Alright, I can't wait in this. This is way too long a line. That's better. Not a very patient person. Doesn't look like I'm running like a total hooligan on camera there, so I'm really not, I'm not being that bad. Alright, so today's winner was Ballast Point Victory at Sea Peanut Butter Porter. Limited release, he just got it in today. So that's what I'll be sipping on tonight while I'm passing out the candy. If I remember, I'll let y'all know how it is if you're interested. Just a guess, but I'm going to assume I'm not the only beer drinking Harley rider. Maybe it'll cool off later in the week, and I'll be able to go and redo that review on my jacket and be able to do it on a cold day when I actually need it. Whoa, that was a stop sign, jack off. So with that, I'll call this boring vlog, I'll call it quits for today. Riverside down, shy side out. I'll talk to y'all next time. And if you know of a really good porter style beer, throw that in the comments. I'd love to try it. Peace out, everybody.